I'm gonna show you how to make a Lucky Charms Marshmallow Treats. You'll need some Lucky Charms Marshmallows, sprinkles, hot chocolate, and some cereal. And don't forget to wash your hands before doing this activity. First get 2 marshmallows out, then drop it into the bowl, like that. Welcome to part 2. As you see, I already melted the marshmallows, but it's not green. But anyway, you'll need this amount of cereal and pour it in there. Then now put some more inside. That might be a little much. Hello, fans. Welcome to part 3. I see it. My mom stirred up and it may be a little sticky. So don't forget, after eating this treat, don't wash your hands. Now your hands won't get that sticky. I'll put them in. All in. I'll stir it all day long. All day long. Now let's put the sprinkles in. I usually do it by making cookies, but for the first time I also get to do it by making this treat. My mom helped me fry it. Now I'm going to put it aside and let it and wait for a few minutes. Now time for the hot chocolate. Hi, now time since I said that we're gonna let it rain, now time to add a hot chocolate. Oh, I gotta tell you guys, if you want, you can add some marshmallows in to make it a little more delicious. I'm gonna add some. We're gonna add 1, then 2 of them. And then we'll add a few more to this. And then we'll add the one that came from the box. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, that's a lot of marshmallows. But well, at least we can just count them so we know how many. And so we're not going to pour it in, because if you pour it in, the steak will be soggy and you will not like it. So, but we'll just go with some hot chocolate. And also, I'm very excited for tonight because we're ready. I want to tell you guys my favorite part about this night. Because when the grades win, we're going to throw a victory party. And if you want, you can be invited too. Hello, Ian Toy fans. This is Ian here. So it's done. So now we're going to try the hot chocolate. Yeah, it does taste good. Even though my chocolate does taste good as a drink. I'll try one of the Rice Krispies. It's kind of sticky, so it does have the paper part. And it's like nothing but marshmallows, sprinkles, and some cereal. Now let's try the marshmallows. It's good. It tastes like nothing. Actually, I just want you guys know it tastes like nothing. But it's good. Even when it tastes like nothing, it's good. I'm so happy I get to build it. I create this meal with you guys. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Very, very great. Also, my dad out. So I'm not with my mom. My mom could be a little fun. Let's just one more. What?